Namaste. Jai Hind.
Happy 74th Independence Day to all our viewers and subscribers. If you new in our channel or not subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel and click the bell button, and please like, share and comment on our video. Because Indian flag is related to Indian Army, Navy and Air Force, that's why today our topic is related to Indian flag. I request to everyone who wears a mask look like the flag of India, please stop using that mask. Now start with introduction. The national flag of India is a horizontal rectangular tricolor of Indian saffron, white and Indian green with the Ashok Chakra, a 24-spoke wheel in navy blue at its center. It was adopted in its present form during a meeting of the Constituent Assembly held on 22 July 1947, and it became the official flag of the Dominion of India on 15th August 1947. The term tricolor, or in Hindi Tiranga, almost refers to the Indian national flag. The flag was subsequently retained as that the Republic of India. The flag is based on the Swaraj flag, a flag of the Indian National Congress, designed by Pigali Venkaya. Next, about symbolism. Mahatma Gandhi first proposed a flag to the Indian National Congress in 1921. The flag was designed by Pigali Venkaya. In the center was a traditional spinning wheel, symbolizing Gandhi's goal of making Indians self-reliant by fabricating their own clothing, between a red stripe for Hindus and green stripe for Muslims. Then the design was modified to replace red with saffron and to include a white stripe in the center of the religious communities and provide a background for the spinning wheel. Subsequently, to avoid sectarian association with the color scheme, the three bands were assigned new meaning: saffron, courage and sacrifice; white, peace and truth; green, faith and chivalry respectively. Also, the wheel of virtue also represents motion or growth. Each of 24 separate spokes connecting to a single wheel represents a unique virtue: love, courage, patience, peacefulness, justice, magnanimity, godness, faithfulness, gentleness, selfishness, self-control, self-sacrifice, mercy, truthfulness, righteousness, gracefulness, humility, empathy, sympathy, spiritual knowledge, moral values, spiritual wisdom, the fear of God, faith or belief or hope. In 15th August 1947, the Special Constituent Assembly decided that the flag of India must be acceptable to the all parties and communities. A modified version of the Swaraj flag was chosen. The tricolor remained the same: saffron, white and green. However, the chakra was replaced by the Ashok Chakra, representing the external wheel of law. The philosopher Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who later became India's first vice president and second president, clarified the adopted flag and described its significance as follows: Bhagwa or saffron denotes renunciation or disinterestedness. Our leaders must be indifferent to material gains and dedicate themselves to the work. The white in the center is light, the path of truth to guide our conduct. Our relation to the plant life hard. The green shows our relation to the soil on which all other life depends. The Ashok Chakra in the center of the white is the wheel of the law of drama, truth or satya. Drama or virtue ought to be the controlling principle of those who work under the flag. Again, the wheel denotes motion. There is death in stagnation. There is life in movement. India should no more resist change, it must move and go forward. The wheel represents the dynamism of a peaceful change. About ratio, size, length and width. According to the flag of India, the Indian flag ratio of 2/3, where the length of the flag is 1.5 times that of the width. All three stripes are to equal in width and length. The size of Ashoka Chakra is not specified in the flag code, but it has 24 spokes that are evenly spaced. In section 431 of IS-1 manufacturing standards for the Indian flag. Here is the chart that details the size of the Ashoka Chakra on the specific size of the national flag. There are 9 sizes of the national flag. In both flag code and IS-1, they call for the Ashoka Chakra to be printed or painted on both sides of the flag in navy blue. Next, laws of Indian flag. By law, the flag is to made of khadi, a special type of handspun cloth or silk made popular by Mahatma Gandhi. The right to manufacture the flag is held by the Khadi Development and Village Industries Commission, who allocates it to regional groups. As of 2009, the Karnataka Khadi Gramodyog Samyukta Sangha has been the sole manufacturer of the flag. In 2002, on hearing an appeal from a private citizen Naveen Jindal, the Supreme Court of India directed the Government of India to amend the code to allow flag usage by private citizens. The code was amended once more in 2005 to allow some additional use, including adaptation on certain forms of clothing. The flag code also governs the protocol of flying the flag and its use in conjunction with other national and non-national flag. We should hoist the flag after sunrise and we should lower the flag before sunset. Thank you for watching this video.